Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fantastic. Today we're going to look into TRON Script. So what is TRON Script? According to the script writers, it is a script that automates a number of functions, especially to remove malware, bloatware, repair damaged operating system files, free up space, defrag your hard drive, stuff like that. So you can do this, do all these things manually, but Tron gives you an automated way, so you don't have to do this one by one. It performs all these functions in a sequence. The sequence is this. So if you see stage 0 to stage 9, stage 8 contains any custom scripts that if you want to run once Tron has completed all its activities. So stage 0 is where it performs the preparation work. Stage 1 cleans temporary files, 2 debloats your systems, and stage 3 disinfects from malware, stuff like that. So before getting in, you need to know these things. Tron is not a data recovery tool. It's not a decryption tool. It doesn't solve any bottlenecks because these things are done only by upgrading your hardware. So this is straightforward. I'll make sure to have this in the description so that you can you'll know what you're working with. So how to download TRON Script? So go to Google. It's pretty straightforward, and search for TRON Script. So go to this first Reddit page, and you'll see a post that is already pinned by the moderators. Click on that. You could use the HTTP link that is already there, or you can also use the .torrent file to download the file. So I'm going to use the direct download. Okay, so the file here is all 445 megabytes. If you want, you can download from this page, but I'm not going to download it because I already have it downloaded in my desktop. So I'm just going to run it. It's going to extract. So once everything is done, open the Tron folder. So if you go into resources folder, you'll see the steps that is being performed. So for example, if you go into preparation step, these are the preparation step it's going to perform. Moving on to temporary files cleaning, these are the functions that it uses to clean temporary files. Debloat, this is what is used to debloat. Disinfect, it's going to use Kaspersky virus removal tool KVRT to remove viruses and malwares. So this is how Tron works, and in order to run Tron, you'll see a tron.bat file. Now let's run tron.bat. Right click it, run as administrator. Yes. Okay, now it's going to give you a disclaimer. I would strongly urge you to read the disclaimer and type in I agree all in caps and press enter to continue. But I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to cancel out. Okay. Okay, so let's open the instructions notepad. Here it gives you a few arguments that you could use, command line arguments with Tron, right? So for example, if you are using a fairly new hard drive, you could skip defrag, and if your operating system is new, you could skip debloat. And if you're sure your system has no virus infections, you can skip antivirus scans. So these things take some time to complete. So if you're going to skip it, it means that your Tron script is going to complete sooner, right? So now let's do that. In order to do that, open up command prompt, click on start button, CMD. Okay, and it says run as administrator here. So click on that. All right. Okay. Okay, now you see there's tron.bat, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna skip defrag, so it's gonna be like tron.bat space skip defrag, and yeah, skip debloat. Okay, and I'm gonna skip all the antivirus scans. So SA. Okay, and after everything completes, I want the system to be shut down. Okay, so I'm gonna do right. So hit enter again. Now Tron is loading. Again, you are back with this disclaimer. Again, I urge you to read the disclaimer. So once you're done, once you're good to proceed, type in I agree, right, and hit enter. Okay, now it's going to show you the stages that it's going to perform. So these are the 8 stages, the 8th being the custom commands, which we are not currently doing. And so the rest of the things will be performed, and I'm skipping defrag, I'm skipping debloat, I'm skipping antivirus scans. So it says the estimated runtime is 4 to 6 hours. I'm sure it should be completed within 4 hours, right? So once you're good to go, press any key and it should start. The first step is usually creates a system restore point. Since we have added the argument to skip debloat, skip antivirus scans, it is skipped here. So if you can see here. So also we have skipped defrag. So defrag is the step that comes after this. So this is mostly it about TRON script, guys. Um, and that's it from me today. If you have any questions or if you have any other video requests, do share it in the comments, and I'll make sure to get back to you with a video response. So do take care of yourself and wear a mask. Cheers, guys. Take care.